Look at that glaze. 1 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons of fast rising yeast, which is the whole packet. I am using my Ninja and I have the dough attachment. Add 3 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix it. We're not done yet. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of butter, soften. I put it in the microwave. Is that enough time to soften? Cover and let it rest for 1 hour. Cover for another 45 minutes. We put a tiny bit of water because we're gonna make an egg wash. And cover it. We put our egg wash. Preheat your oven at 350 and bake it for 20 to 22 minutes. I don't know if you're ready to see this, but oh, beautiful. 3 tablespoons of softened butter, but I did put it in the microwave, and 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. We're just gonna eyeball it. Pour it on top. How beautiful. All right. I don't even know where to start. So soft. So good. Look how soft. Delicious.